Banana!
I'm so tired.
Well, folks, it looks like the sun has been turned on full blast with temperatures rising and water evaporating. Now, citizens are becoming exhausted and hot but are using sleep alternatives such as soda and coffee. See for yourself. I'm so tired.
Yes, my plan is beginning to work. Now that it is always day, I will plot the domination of man.
Is it on? Is it on? Hey everybody, today I'm going to be saving the world from dying of heat and exhaustion. So, in order to do this, I have my two essentials, a Nintendo GameCube controller, and a toothbrush. Yeah, you can use just about any toothbrush and, for example, any controller, as long as you have the two of them. So I'm just going to put this right in here. It shouldn't be too hard. Alright, let's start this. I won. Yes! So as you can see with my super controller, I just saved the world. Yeah. You're so jealous.